In this archive film, called Artillery Training, a British artillery regiment is put through its paces, far from the front line of World War I. This British artillery regiment is far from the front line, possibly in Aldershot, but can probably expect to head for France soon, which might explain the weary resignation etched on some of the men's faces. We have little information on the origins of this film, but it's well photographed, with 3 shots giving us a good view of the loading and firing of a howitzer, as well as a look at the regiment at rest and on the move. The footage has been colorized and upscaled.